श्री यमुना गंगा केदार बद्रीश्वरः नमः. Jai Badri Vishal, Jai Kedarnath. By the grace of Lord Badri Vishal and Lord Kedarnath, the Char Dham Yatra is starting from 19th September. Though for a smaller duration, the Char Dham Yatra will be operating for the year 2021. This time, it is expected from the pilgrims that they follow a few important guidelines for darshan and complete the holy yatra without any troubles. The most important rule and guideline that is imposed on Char Dham Yatra this year is regarding the number of pilgrims allowed for darshan in each dham every day. This Yamunotri 400 pilgrims, Gangotri this number will be 600, Kedarnath 800 pilgrims will be doing darshan every day, and Badrinath this number is 1200. The second most important rule is that the tourists have to bring either their fully vaccinated certificate with both the doses completed or the latest negative COVID report through RT-PCR, TrueNat or rapid antigen test. Other than this, there are some other important information that we will share at the end of the video. For past 8 years, Royal Tripmaker is providing services to pilgrims with true Seva Bhav, and thousands of devotees have given us a chance to serve them. And that's why Royal Tripmaker is often regarded as the most dependable service provider of Char Dham Yatra. Our group tours are characterized by customized service like special sightseeing, travel kits, and special VIP darshan and pujan. So the first step is to register on badrinathkedarnath.gov.in. In a few simple steps, you can register yourself by filling name, contact number, gender, and a working email ID. Once you click on the register button, you will receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number and email ID, which you will need to fill in the pop-up screen along with the CAPTCHA characters from the image. With this, your registration is completed and your password will be sent to you via email. With this password, now you can enter the website badrinath-kedarnath.gov.in by logging in. Once logged in, click on the link Book ePass. To book the darshan slot for your family group or friends group, you will need to register the head of the group or group leader, which can be you or any other member of the group. The Aadhaar details will be required for registering and verifying the group. For this, you need to keep ready a scanned copy of your Aadhaar card with size less than 150 KB. The Aadhaar card will serve as the photo ID proof as well as the address proof. So you need not worry about using any other photo ID card. Please note that the only one pass can be issued for one Aadhaar card. After filling the Aadhaar card details and address, your verification will be completed. After this step, you can add the other group members with their Aadhaar details and vaccine certificates. The group members who don't have vaccination certificate available will be required to show the negative COVID report or the vaccine certificate later during the tour. After this step, the slot booking for darshan will start. The pilgrims need to be careful while booking their slots on the correct dates. For example, if a passenger is booking Yamunotri darshan on 21st of September, then For Gangotri, he will need to book the darshan on 23rd of September, as he will be only able to reach Gangotri 2 days later. Similarly, Kedarnath darshan can be booked on 25th and Badrinath darshan on 27th of September. Right now, as you can see, there are 0 slots available for Kedarnath, which shows the enthusiasm of Shiv Bhakts to visit their beloved Lord Kedarnath. After this step, you can confirm the slots for your group members who wish to travel in the group. If you have any doubts regarding the slot booking or registration, you can call on any of the given phone number or WhatsApp us. Royal Tripmaker wishes all the Char Dham pilgrims a very comfortable and hassle-free Char Dham Yatra. If this video helped you plan your Char Dham Yatra a little bit easier, please shower your blessings in the form of like, share and subscribe. Jai Badri Vishal, Jai Kedarnath. Thanks for watching.